Hello, boys and girls. For math today, we are going to be working with two-dimensional shapes, and we are going to try putting shapes together to form a new shape. We will be working with squares, triangles, rhombuses, hexagons, and trapezoids. Our first job is to use pattern blocks to make a hexagon. We are going to be thinking about 4 different ways that we could put the shapes on the left together to make a hexagon. I thought it would be fun to start with just triangles. Let's see how many triangles would make up a hexagon. Looks like we have a problem here. We're gonna have to rotate our triangle. There we go. That's 2 so far. There's 3. Uh-oh. What do we need to do again? Rotate. That one fits perfectly. And then we need one more, and we have to rotate it. Look at that! We just used 6 triangles to make one hexagon. Let's try that again with different shapes. This time I'm going to grab a trapezoid. Let's turn it around and fit it nice and snug right there. Then I think I'm gonna grab a rhombus. Looks great. Now we're missing just one more shape from the left to make this a hexagon. If you guessed triangle, that's right. There we go. Let's try that again. This time I'm going to use 2 trapezoids. One. Uh-oh, looks like we need to rotate it. Perfect. And for the last one, we are going to be using the rhombus. Let's see how many rhombuses it takes to make a hexagon. Looks like if we're only going to use rhombuses, this will not work. Let's try flipping it. There we go. Now we just need one more rhombus. And whoop, there we go. Nice and snug. Now let's review what we did. We made the same shape in 4 different ways. We used 6 triangles to form our first hexagon. For our second hexagon, we used 1 trapezoid, 1 rhombus, and 1 triangle. Then we used 3 rhombuses to make a hexagon, and we also used 2 trapezoids to make a hexagon. Next, let's try using just 3 pattern blocks to fill the shape of a trapezoid. Here we have our trapezoid to the left, and we are going to be grabbing just 3 pattern blocks to cut this trapezoid in 3. Can you tell me which shape would I use 3 of to fit into this trapezoid? If you said triangle, you're right. It takes 3 triangles to make 1 trapezoid. And our last one, which of course we have to rotate. Look at all the fun shapes we just made using other shapes. Isn't it fun to make new shapes? I hope you enjoyed this lesson.